What is good, NIO family? It's your boy Rey-Jay back with another video, and in this video, I'm going to be talking about the one and only NIO stock and why I'm still super bullish for the near term and long term futures. I'm also going to talk about the overall stock market and the latest pieces of news that just came out that make me very bullish and excited. I'm also going to talk about the latest pieces of news coming out for NIO and what NIO's hidden catalyst is that a lot of people tend to overlook, guys. NIO has some weapons up its sleeve that you really need to look at. It was also shown on their Twitter page, guys. NIO has some very good weapons out there, and you guys have to see what was reported from NIO Day. Now, before I say anything about NIO Day, NIO's Twitter, and what's going on with the technical analysis of NIO, I do have to mention some very important things first. First off, I'm not a financial planner, guys. This is all for entertainment purposes only. And also, if you guys can, please smash the like button if you want to see more videos like this. It not only benefits me, but benefits the entire NIO community as a whole. And the last thing is, if you guys can, please check out the Moomoo link down below in the description. If you do sign up for Moomoo, you're not only going to qualify for an iPhone 13 Pro giveaway, meaning you may win an iPhone 13 Pro, but you're also going to get up to 5 free stocks, each worth up to $3,500 by simply signing up with the link down below. So with that out of the way, let's get on with the video. So check this out right over here, guys. As you can see, NIO's down about 1.83%, and I'm well aware that this thing has been down for quite some time, and I do see this thing as very, very undervalued. But we do have to talk about the overall market and how is that probably going to affect NIO and whether it's going to allow NIO to run or not. So right here, guys, I have the S&P 500, and as you guys can see, we just broke another all-time high. We hit $477. Let's go, guys. And this is marking the start, if not the beginning, of a very, very, very strong Santa rally, guys. I'm so excited. I can't wait for what's going to play out, and I can't wait for to see how this is going to affect the market. So check this out right here. We have some good pieces of news that just came out for the market. Now, obviously, Yahoo Finance tends to spread some FUD, but they stated this right here, and I do agree with some of their points. They stated that, look, investors are warning about the effects of the variant of the virus. As you guys know, the thing is out there, and also the fact that the Fed are at risk in a growing but slowing economy, so to speak. However, guys, despite all this FUD, despite all the crazy things going on, major indexes are poised to end the year boosted by the Santa Claus rally effect. Let's go, guys. Another Santa Claus rally is here, guys. It looks very strong. It looks very probable that we're going to continue to see a lot of green as the market is now entering the greedy side. Look at the fear and greed index. A couple of weeks ago, I showed you guys this. We were at extremely fearful mode. Then last week we went to the fearful side. Now we're on the greedy side. We're looking very greedy now. That's a very good bullish sign, guys. That makes me very excited. So how is this going to affect NIO? Well, the market looks green. It doesn't look like it's going to be dropping NIO, and NIO should start to rebound quite soon. Look at the technical indicators, guys. The CCI is showing NIO is very undervalued relative to its average. Look at the exponential moving averages. NIO is sort of treating most of them as resistance right now, but it looks like it's about to have some good moves, so to speak. It just looks very undervalued in my opinion. If you look at the RSI, it's very oversold at about 36.07. And look at the MACD, it's on the verge of crossing with the 9-day moving average once again, which could start a bullish cycle. But right now, it was just dropping and dropping and dropping. It's getting closer and closer to starting its rebound. The thing is, it hit that low point at $27.79. Now we're almost at 30. We ended up closing just below the level of resistance at 30, which means that we're getting closer and closer to that big bull run I keep on talking about, guys. I see it coming. It's just that it's taking longer than usual. Now, why is it taking so long, guys? Well, I want to show you guys something very, very sketchy. Look at this right here. Look at Li Autos and look at the off-lit exchange volume. This is the amount of volume traded on dark pools or off-lit exchanges. 34%, which is not too bad. That's pretty typical in my opinion. So Li Autos is at 34%. Look at Tesla stock. It's at 44%, which is still a little bit high, but not necessarily that bad. That this just shows once again how much of its volume is being traded on off-lit exchanges off the market. And then check this out right here. Look at NIO. 56%. Why isn't that NIO is traded like crazy on off-lit exchanges, higher than Tesla, higher than Li Auto, higher than so many other companies out there? My point is, this stock is being manipulated, it's heavily shorted, and this is, in my opinion, is one of the reasons why it's down the way it is. Now, does this mean it's the end of this company? Well, guys, remember, a long time ago, people were shorting the daylight out of Tesla, thinking that that thing would crash. At the end of the day, they failed. And my point is, I don't think they're going to be too successful on NIO either, because this company is a monster that's waiting to explode. I'm about to show you why. Now, I'm not guaranteeing it, because nothing in the market is guaranteed, but this is their weapon, NIO Life. I know that sounds pretty counterintuitive, but look at this right here. Life is food, music, exploration. Life is being together, living well, learning. What life is where you go, how you dress, how you feel. And as you guys can see, NIO's building a community. They have lots of merch coming out from different hoodies to bottles. Now, why is this important? It's important because their communities are strong, very, very strong. It was just reported that they're going to be reporting their EV sales very, very soon. And as December approaches, guys, they're not just going to be doing things like this in China. They're going to be entering all over the world. Look at this right here. It's been reported that they're getting ready for the US entry, guys, with 12 more planned in other cities in 2022. NIO is getting ready to make it to the US, guys. You guys can see some very big things. They have new jobs posted for people on LinkedIn, and some of them are actually in the United States. So NIO is getting closer and closer and closer. I want to show you this right here. Electric showed the exact same thing. NIO LinkedIn job postings hint at possible expansion to US market. It's getting bigger, it's getting stronger, and the community, the thing that makes this company so strong in my opinion is the community, the people, the viewers, the people that look at this company, the people that are involved. Alan Walker obviously performed and other things happened. Well, check this out right here. On December 18th, hashtag NIO Day 2021 was held successfully in Sunsu. I don't know if I said that right, but anyways, this year the event had more than 100 million viewers, guys. That's almost 1/3 of the population of the United States was just watching NIO Day. This is a huge, huge achievement. And this is just the start. It's a baby of a company. What's going to happen in 5 years, 10 years? Imagine the hundreds of millions of viewers that are going to be watching. Imagine all the excitement, all the emotions. Think about how big this company is going to be with the community it has. And that's why I believe in this company's success. We could remove these indicators, guys. We don't even need to look at them. I'll tell you this. We look like we're going to bounce off 27. We're starting to slowly creep up, okay? And eventually we're going to have a very good run up to the 40s again. It's going to come one day. I think making the claim that this company is going to go bankrupt is just absolutely absurd in my opinion. I think this company has insane potential. They're crushing their numbers. They have December reports coming out. They have very good customer service. They're revolutionizing the battery swap industry. They're going to crush it in China. And they have a community of hundreds of millions of people all over the world coming together to be a part of this community, to be a part of this company, guys. They have real estate. They have big things coming out, okay? That's my point. They're going to be all over the world and people are going to learn about it. And you, in my opinion, that's not financial advice. If you're holding NIO right now, you're early. That's what I have to say. Because I know they're going to be bigger, more popular, and huge with their customer service and their community. That's why I believe in this company, guys. That's what gives it to me because I've seen very few companies out there that are as pure and have as strong fundamentals as NIO. With that said, guys, the future is still bright. Believe it or not, the shorts may keep trying to bring this thing down. Okay, let them do it. If they keep trying to do it, eventually there's going to be a lot of buying. Eventually, NIO is going to have another new car. Eventually, NIO is going to expand to other countries. And eventually, NIO is going to make big, big, big moves. And the farther we go into time, the better and better the company gets, the better their numbers are going to get, and the more institutional investors will load up, and the more this company's share price is going to run up. Like I said before, I'm not giving financial advice, but I do believe that we are seeing a very good discount. With that said and done, guys, I do think a rebound should start quite soon. And at the end of the day, I don't care how long it takes. Because even if it stays down for a little bit of longer period of time, I'll be buying more and more and more. It gives me more opportunity to buy the dips. Because I know what this thing could do. I know the potential in this company, and I know the fundamentals are there. Thank you guys. Have a good one, and I'll see you in the next one. NIO to the moon, and peace out.